West Indies go into battle against England in an ODI series which will have implications for the West Indies qualifying for the ICC 50 Overs World Cup. That in and of itself, in terms of big West Indies struggling to qualify for a World Cup, is an embarrassment. The Windies are, of course, coming off a 3-game series against Ireland, where they lost 1-1, and one ended in a no result. Vibesman Darren Sammy is on record as saying the attitude of the players is good, and he's loving it. But just watching the current West Indies team play, both T20 and 50 overs, and listening to the pronouncements from Sammy, you know we all want the Windies to dramatically change course and eventually turn the corner. But this coaching vibes thing with Sammy, I don't know. Saying this and saying that, no. I am carrying the West Indies to win this series against England.